Hi.
What do you usually tell people, a homeowner, on what they need to do to get their humidifier going, and how do they know that it's going okay?
Yeah, I mean, now that we're into October, this is a lot of times that time of year where we're getting close to the time that people are going to be running their furnaces. And when they turn their furnace on and the air just starts to dry out a little bit and you start to kind of feel it and see it in on thermostats and stuff like that, people start to notice it's getting a little dry. And, unless the humidifier has been manually turned on, it may not be ready to run. It also would highly recommend that it's serviced and checked. So taking the humidifier apart and wipe it down and clean it and make sure that it's running the perfect amount of water, put a new water panel in it, make sure the drain is clean. A lot of times utility rooms and furnaces are in areas that aren't frequented, so people don't spend a lot of time, in their furnace room, and next thing you know, their humidifier is leaking water or pushing way too much water, and now we've got a mess on our hands and water is going everywhere. And so it's really, really important that those are checked properly. A lot of times even little water lines inside of them will get brittle and break and crack, and then you've got a slow drip. So making sure that that's working properly and getting moisture back in the house come winter time is really, really important around here.
Okay, thanks.
Yep, you're welcome.